nilitum APHLC pen ki pukang tung ke lapuson hello Kaziranga eco sensitive pulo Kaziranga alama bang si papete ware lason thak ai eco sensitive ke ha manas ta dolo along prek ta dolo kopumayang te hala urang ta dolo seta dak alam pe the athe mahala dak tourist dam o edet la ke plank atu minister man ni atum hotel ka chikim ji aning hang he dak la pose dak alam pa vedet da bang ke karbiang long le nang chirai nang ji po alam bang la pen la adani ambani atu amphan long le ki pg abidi kiri la so kama bang ke dadak 7-star hotel 10-star hotel ko pipilo ne nang kimpo ka chirai aphan che than na ling sita Kaziranga pule pusta amenda Kazirong hang pulo Kazirong hang along li sai selo la ke Kazirong hang ge richo pilo rong hang pilo Kazirong hang pi pa along le lo lapot angela ke non arni ke la ke 6 schedule along le la ke 6 schedule along le pulo te la ke nitum tribe atum ai area lo tribal area lo la ke akapre ka phange piun e la ke sensitive tamen sensitive kalidet tame biune ako yong si pi ponte nitum la autonomous council pen rat atum a opinion and pe mesi la bangke ko an mai pinangi lage ako lage pi thang bak be ki pi banga khai pangeli ki pinangi ta tribe atum han si pinangi along leta lapu la pen hala eco sensitive pulo lahilo ke pudam nangi ke eco sensitive pu seta ke claim nahi ke la autonomous council tum se claim nahi 6 schedule under 6 schedule pen autonomous council tum ta aning ke hang aling legi piun kali lake alota long le ke transfer un e pusi 6 schedule long ke tok do long le ke transfer un e mane along ka prega to man transfer un e paragraph 3 along hala da ka transfer pu hop do ve alamthe ve lage transfer un e la si pi un e lake lage Assam Chief Minister ka ningje ke lage alangli ajakong law ateng ajakong ave pin si ka ningje lo lage illegal unconstitutional la si APHLC penge ni tumke kilometer cap putakali kilometer 1 putakali muthor porot ladake along le eco sensitive tanang claim cleared nahi rake ni APHLC penge lai lo pu lage tribal dum silong chot ni lage dak arlo ke dua tum do ahut dak chot kalilo ulfa pe ne do ahut asam adang isita rat atum ahile license ke do ahile government atum 6.2 adlo pon 2 adlo hala ulfa man ni atum kape pon long leji afanse la ke claim amar hal so ahile non ke ilitum long da ka extremist ave det lo an ke ahile bang ke ilitum rat atum license long lok office ame thang poisa pen si genam lai hoi ahile lamachi non ke akam ve det lo pot government tum ke akam ve det lo la sila so hile itum bang ke akam do athema ajha hile ka ha ifusar atum ke nam ajirding olo ningkan faro aprang ke nama hile ha British tumarni di Ingras arni hile la sondo la si halai huya hile ke mathadam edlote sentimental bostu lage family is ya property la so hile along si family etum aburonji apur kimot hadak si dolo la si lai huya hile non license ke do atum along nangche void tu nangji pusini tum lo ki pi dak di siapat itum a property lo lake rat atum property lo teng BNS along ba BNSS along ke tok anta itum property ke chibilong la pen property e methang along si chibi nangi la puson allo do la pen Universal Declaration of Human Rights along Article 16 along pulo munit atum citizen atum ke property cibilong vek nangji lapen article 17 along pulo jokta property ke thidet un e lake alang litum ahem pu along pa cibilong vek nei pudak ke tok do lasi non ni litum chuning pen lu ki pike la nang chewoi chu et nang ipu ama DC office pen nelifan city na tok aprang DC bang nelitum APHLC fancy nang tum la hoya hile ko pipia hile ma nang tum nitum hanang than tha pujo ange lage nitum APHLC le nam ga lide ta hile ge nitum APHLC long le chibia hile ta lide lage lake hala license ke do tum long si kagos potro be doji hala tum long si hang nang ji aku kisi stang lo pulo tang te lake dak DC office arm branch along hadi arm branch pudo hala tum long si la kisis ahile an ke hadak si ahisap ke do adlo amen da do adlo ko pia hile ma tok wok hile ma kartus hile ma lai hoi hadak ke tok do adlo lage DC office long si dolo kalite SP long si dolo SP long thigala ga do veklo athima DC la hile ge bigali SP si ge BTT lapen tiklo yon pen batai si magistrate bang DC office pen toy si inspect dam titi mal khana long si BTT la sa hile hei hoi la pot si nitum APHLC tunge lage chini ne lo goman mai hile ma lage nitum hile gali rat hile lage la si hala rat atom phan si che voi tu nangi pu ni tungi pu lapen apra DC bang ne lifan nang than nun lo esonalam mangke ahem pu atum si amethang si dorkhasto DC pan pinang jipu komada hile si aprang kisis ponma ke ponma non amethang atum dorkhasto pinang ji an ke chelong thu jipu si aprang hi DC ta nang than la si pini ta ne tum DC pan la si kipidam ni tum English pen dak tok ningje poyo ni litum dak lason hello ni litum ke top I am not the owner of the guns. APHLC is not the owner of the guns. The guns were seized from the rightful owners living in different places in Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong autonomous districts. Seizure of most of the guns took place when there was only one Karbi Anglong autonomous district. Hamren was only a subdivision. The details of the guns are expected to be maintained by the arms branch in the office of the district magistrate or deputy commissioner Karbi Anglong. The details of the seized guns must also be in the office of the superintendent of police Dipu Karbi Anglong. I have written to you these letters on behalf of the people concerning the licensed guns which were lawfully seized by the police on orders from the government from the rightful owners several years ago to prevent the militants from snatching away these guns from the rightful owners. The people desire to keep their licensed guns with them because these guns are ancestral properties. These guns often tell sentimental family history, and these guns were purchased by the owners after receipt of the license. Under BNS and BNSS, citizens have the right to keep their properties with themselves. Article 16 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights authorizes everyone to own property. Article 17 prohibits depriving a person of his or her property. Moreover, due to increase of elephant population, the elephants intrude far into the human habitation and cultivation. They are not afraid of crackers, bombs or anything. It is dangerous to keep watch over the crops without weapon for self-protection. We therefore request you to take immediate necessary action to return the licensed guns to the rightful owners without delay. Nitum APHLC leader atum si sohilo lapen DC apan la lopidam lo lapen DC ta la sokam seriously lang po senang thakdut. Don rat atum pan ka chuning ria bangke komat ahile si aprang ke pon ma alang litum akagos do tame vetame alang litum DC apan lopinai. Athema akagos bangke DC office si dopo kali ke SP office along si dopo. Lah hello ako akagos le don de meong chotlo photocopy xerox seram ra krong dunling nang po application na lo pe prabjing ben claim nang ji.